Thursday, January 29th, 2015, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast. As of 10:15 in the morning, some light freezing rain, maybe mixed with sleet in our eastern counties, is pushing through. The heaviest precipitation south of our lakeshore counties. You can see temperatures are right around freezing right now, but roads are below freezing, so some slick travel is possible into early this afternoon. Freezing rain advisories out until noon. We do have a little bit of dry weather moving in before more snow moves back in later. Taking a look across the entire country now, the big story is the system affecting us moving across the Great Lakes, producing some snow up in Michigan into parts of southern Ontario, and that will produce some wintry precipitation in parts of New York and Pennsylvania today and into New England into the day Friday. Elsewhere, there's almost nothing on the weather map. Temperatures aren't too extreme either, except for in the northeast where it's cold this morning. There's actually some rain moving into the desert southwest. Phoenix is going to get rain over the next couple of days, and that moisture will eventually come our way for Sunday. Coming back to Cleveland, looking at the numbers, yesterday we hit a high at 27 after a low of 1 degree. Averages are 35, 22, record 65 and 17 below. No precip yesterday at Hopkins. We're running a little bit above normal on the monthly precipitation, 14 inches of snow on the month of January, and we're setting the sun at 5:40 tonight. So freezing rain advisories are going to expire at noon for all the counties not filled in. However, a winter weather advisory remains in effect until 10 a.m. Friday for Lake Geauga, Ashtabula, and Trumbull counties. They might not get above freezing there today, so they could continue to see a wintry mix through this afternoon, and then they'll see a couple inches or so of snow tonight. We'll look at that more in just a moment. But first, real quick, the rest of today, temperatures are going to continue to rise into the mid-30s this afternoon, except for maybe our far eastern counties. That'll change everyone over to rain for a little bit during the afternoon again, except for where the advisory's in place. And then we change the rain back to snow this evening. Everyone could see a quick inch or two of snow this evening, with lake effect continuing downwind of the lake for the rest of the night, where they could add a couple more inches overnight. Lows getting all the way into the teens tonight. All right, taking a look ahead now on one of our forecast computer models. As we head into the early afternoon, temperatures will rise above freezing and the steadier precipitation will pull off to the east. However, Ashtabula, Trumbull counties, maybe even parts of Geauga County might stay closer to freezing. They might also still see some sleet this afternoon. So slick travel could continue in the far northeastern corner of the state. The rest of us hopefully will warm up enough to alleviate any black ice issues for a few hours this afternoon with light rain. As we head towards this evening, wraparound snow is going to move in and temperatures are going to fall below freezing as it snows. The snow will probably move in by 4 or 5 o'clock on the west side, by 6 or so on the east side. You can see this blue line, the freezing line, moving through with the snow this evening, so that'll probably cause roads to become pretty slick again during the latter portions of the evening commute and then through the rest of the evening. Now, once the first burst of snow moves through, we're going to set up some lake-enhanced snow tonight. The lake is mostly frozen, but a couple of disturbances are going to move through. If the lake wasn't frozen, we'd probably be talking about over half a foot of snow tonight, so count your lucky stars that it's frozen. It'll still probably be enough lake-enhanced snow to get another 1 to 3 inches overnight from Cuyahoga and Medina counties points east, maybe a local 4-inch amount in the higher hills in Geauga County. You can see the generally light lake-enhanced snow continues all night as a couple of disturbances move through. It'll be a very light, fluffy snow, so it could accumulate a little quicker than it would otherwise. As we head into the day Friday, we're going to gradually taper the lake effect off. I think we'll stay mostly cloudy through a good portion of Friday, and it'll be cold. But hopefully by the time we hit the afternoon, we're done with any lake effect snow. Again, total accumulations maybe 2 to 4 inches in the snow belt, 1 to 3 inches in the surrounding counties, and then in our western and southern viewing area, an inch or less. Picking one of our forecast models back up Friday morning, low pressure that's moving through today, giving us all the wintry precipitation and snow tonight, will move east, be replaced by this big high pressure by tomorrow afternoon, so that's why we're going to dry it out tomorrow. The low pressure system, as it moves off the east coast, could give some heavy snow to parts of New England, particularly Maine. Meanwhile, this high pressure is going to move right overhead Friday night, so it's going to be a clear, calm night It's going to get cold Friday night. As we head into Saturday, we're still dry. High pressure still keeping the precipitation away, but you can see that moisture moving out of the southwestern United States here during the day Saturday, gathering steam over the plains, and then as we head towards Sunday, starts moving towards Ohio. You can see a low pressure is going to develop here across the mid-Mississippi Valley, move south of the Ohio River. That's a pretty good track for snow for most of Ohio, and you can see the model does show snow over most of the state here Sunday into Sunday night. This is definitely going to be one to watch. There's going to be some Gulf of Mexico moisture involved, so there could be some locally heavy snow totals. Where the heaviest snow sets up, where exactly it sets up is still unknown right now. As I zoom in and take a slightly closer look, I can put a different contour on. I can put the surface temperatures. You can see this model keeps us all snow, keeps us actually below 20 degrees on Sunday with a mix near the Ohio River. Some of our earlier models showed the mixing getting farther north, and some of our models show this completely missing us to the south. So, wide possibility of solutions for this potential winter storm Sunday and Sunday night. However, right now, the general consensus is for snow across at least central and northern Ohio, maybe a mix farther south, but you're going to want to stay tuned. Still plenty of time for that to change. So, 7-day forecast time now. Tomorrow, snow showers end by afternoon, but still a good amount of clouds. Temperature is pretty steady in the mid to upper teens. It'll be breezy, and then tomorrow night we really drop. In the city, we're probably going to stay above zero. That's my thinking. Outside of town, certainly possible that some areas will get below zero by Saturday morning. Then Saturday, dry but cold. Some clouds moving in during the afternoon to filter the sun. Saturday night, clouds thicken, and then by Sunday, snow looks likely. I still have a mix in the south mentioned in the forecast because this low pressure track could still very well change. It's pretty close to getting a mix into Ohio. Again, our latest runs keep the mix south, but it'll be something to watch. Either way, could be some slow travel Sunday into Sunday night. And then by Monday, cold air moves in behind the system. We really drop. That 26 degrees, if we even get that warm, would be first thing in the morning, and then we'd fall during the afternoon with some lake effect snow showers. And then look at Monday night, 5 below zero. That could be generous. And then Tuesday, only 15, but it'll be sunny. And then another little system moves our way for Wednesday, maybe a chance for snow, and it'll briefly warm up. All right, with NeoWeather.com, I'm Jim Sullivan. Check us out again tomorrow.